Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Abdal Ahmad. Today I will explain hello world syntax. In this, hash include IOStream is a header file library that let us work with input-output objects such as cout. Header file add functionality to C++ program that make it easy to run a code. Using namespace as standard mean std object and variable are used from the standard libraries. That's why we write using namespace std. And the int main is the function which always written in a C++ program. Then only code will execute it. The output we see in the output screen is written in the curly bracket. Cout is used to print an output text. We use insertion operator to use cout, and return 0 is the end main function we use to return a value to the integer. If we write a void main, then we have to not return any value to the void main function. This is the basic hello world syntax we use. If we don't want to use using name standard library, then we have to write in output text std. The program I have written you can see in this screen. The program I have written in this std is written first, then cout is which print hello world. Syn is the word we use for take an output from the user through keyboard. You will see an example of syn also in next video.